MeghalayaPostNEWS.
Superintendent of Police SP Kais Kasel uba Vivek Syiem ulayatu baka Jingsiat kuli Pulit hakawe jingia hapo jela Haryana kadai kabayada yala jingim parban khangla ikipaj bhor ban pelat yaw senar nong lute bisa nakikor ATM laban kedau bakal dan kawai ke video besapriang balayo i bagi Pulit ke jela Meghalaya kibadan hakakali kilayale ban be ikipaj bhor kibator sekali baki syong bat balayo iru bawai na pedang ki Pulit ula sunraj kuli hakaba wai na pedang ki paj bhor ula kelan hadian badeu kuli na kejan haba pensyai halor kani ke jingjang ba Vivek ulayatu bakila don omdu nalai pongut ki paidbah ki batur sekali basong ki Pulit ke Meghalaya ki bakit ya wai na pedang ki besyakem na po ke jela Haryana uba Vivek ulayatu baki paj bhor ki lahala kawang mawi ki kali badan ru na pedang jongki ki bertemu ban kieu sekali alor ke jing temu ban kini ekitiarele jongki Pulit bat pelan yaw senar nong lute kumsi benta ban yada yala ke jingim bat khanglan ikipaj bhor ban pelan yaw basyakem ki Pulit ke Meghalaya kim ban se ban sunraj kuli haduh nyausin para pedang ke jing sunraj kuli wai na pedang ki paj bhor ula mensau na kebenta ke kejat laung uba Vivek ulayatu bakani ke jingja kelaja hakasnong sikwara jela Haryana ulayatu ru baki bor Pulit ke jela Haryana kil aujor ejahar persya ya kar arngut na pedang ki paj bhor ki batur sekali jongki Pulit ke jela Meghalaya
गोली मार दी ओए गोली मार दी गोली मार दी गोली गोली मार दी ओए गोली मार ट्रैक्टर लगा ही नहीं.
So on the 10th, there was an attempt after one of the accused, this Rahul, was actually produced in court in Haryana, New district, and after being produced in court and all that, he was being brought back to New district to New city, and at Sikrawa they were accosted by about 30 people. One of the crowd even tried to snatch the weapon, and they had to fire blank shots and even on the ground, and a bullet ricocheted and hit one person. That person is recovering, and a case has been registered. About 12 people have been identified, so investigation is on in Haryana.
MeghalayaPostNEWS.